Wireless and Telecom Association of Alberta, it's WiTec. Their mandate and their reason for being, it's about 5 years old, was really to create the synergies between various stakeholders in the tech sector in Alberta, recognizing that we're kind of dominated by the oil and gas sector. There's many exciting things happening in the province, and so the association is a volunteer association put together to provide interfaces to government, connect venture capitalists to market opportunity, to people needs for our members. It's about 60 members right now, and it's potential to grow that. Some exciting stories have come out of that, and the association is all about growing the sector. So the stories, the buzz, the excitement in the tech sector is why it exists, and we continue to evolve it. But the programs that WiTec executes on to accomplish the synergies I'm talking about, there's networking events, breakfasts and dinners, 4 or 5 a year. There's an annual conference, which I'll talk more about in a minute, and just the natural connections that happen through board members and between members. It's connecting the right parties to other folks in the province and more broadly to grow the sector. Several reasons. I've been on the board for a number of years. When I was in France for Axia, I stayed involved with them because I see some international synergies. But coming back to Alberta, I think becoming the chair is a good experience for me. It's a good growth experience. Chairing a volunteer board, an association. I think Axia is a big part of the ecosystem. Lots of the members of WiTec are customers of Axia, so it gives me a chance to engage with them and understand their needs. I think the entire sector can grow, and I think I can be part of making that happen through the board and through the members. Right now, I'm making sure that I really understand where the association is at, and that involves getting to know the members, the board members, as well as the membership. So I really understand what we're doing well, what we're not doing. Fundamentally, I think we can grow it. We can triple the size of the membership, do more services for those members, and that's going to come from that analysis of what we're doing today and how well we're doing it. And I think there's just much like the Silicon Valley has a tech sector that has a buzz around it with all those various stakeholders. I think we can create that same energy. It already exists to a large extent in Alberta, but I think we can do a lot more in the province to tell that story. And lots of economic development and success for companies and success for individuals will flow from that. Wireless City was the original version of that, and that's morphed into WiTec Connections, which is an annual event that connects all those stakeholders I've talked about. The one that we're scheduled to provide, the next one actually, is mid-April in Banff Springs. We've got some keynote speakers: Google, RIM, MP3. A number of the manufacturers, as well as a lot of the membership. It's well attended. It's another networking opportunity. There's a facilitated networking, which is a tremendous opportunity to connect with the people you want to connect with, but in a facilitated way. Great venue, a history of success. Lots of great feedback from the membership for every year we've done it. Just keeps getting better and better, and it's an important opportunity for people to connect with those and the other companies they want to connect with in an effective way, in an efficient way at a conference. So it's coming up mid-April, April 16, 17 in Banff, and we're looking forward to another terrific conference.